Listen to the birds in the garden saying goodnight. This garden is thriving with life. When I first built it, there was not near as much activity as there is now. And that's because I've welcomed all wildlife into my garden and I build biodiversity. I built a pond, I plant trees and flowers. I don't use synthetic chemicals. I encourage life. And when you do that, everything seems to balance out. I don't have what you consider any pests in the garden that attack my produce. I used to have aphids, greenfly, ladybirds took care of them, hoverflies. When you encourage that life, you don't kill it with sprays or see it as a bad thing, then it balances out. Something to think about there.